Okay, guys, what I want to talk about here is XRP. I believe XRP is just about to move into a bull market, right? And I want to talk through that very quickly. You know, of course, people have heard this for a long time, XRP bull market, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so what I want to say here, okay, so we've seen this. What is the blueprint for success, right? When you don't have a red 200 moving average on your chart, right? What happens when you don't have that? When you move into this apex, you start to form the blueprint for success. Okay, and if anyone has been here any time at all, you will know what that is, and you will remember what that is. If you don't know what that is, in the Marty Boots alt section, scroll way up to the very top, and you will see a number of videos on that. Very important videos. Now, for example, the blueprint for success, we talked about it all down in here when FET and Seller and One and all these newer coins all formed this apex, right? And after the apex, what happens? Price breaks out to the upside and price explodes out of the apex and works its way into a bull market. Now, these moves are pretty huge, and I believe XRP is about to do the same, right? Look at this 500% move on FET. Okay, that's a monstrous move. Now that's on a 3-day chart. We are forming a weekly apex here. Very, very powerful. Very powerful, right? To understand the difference is very important. Now look what happened. Look at this. Where am I? We dropped down and we formed this bowl shape and BART back up. We have dropped down here now, put in the base, and are we going to start BARTing back up? We are potentially right here on this base. Let me clear that so you see it better. We are right here on XRP, right? If you were right here and before a breakout and you started accumulating before the breakout, would you be happy? I think you would be, right? This, you can see here, very similar structure, right? We're holding the moving averages. We've already started to break back up. You know, for me, this looks very bullish. XRP is potentially about to go into a bullish market.